Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to set an alarm programmatically in your alarm app via your app. So here I have one button called set alarm, and if I click on it, it sets an alarm. Here you can see a toast message being displayed. So one toast message is from my app and the second toast message which you saw was from the alarm app. Now if I just go to my alarm app, where is my alarm app? So clock, and here you can see the alarm has been set properly. So I will just disable this. I'll go back to my app just to show you that it is working. I'll click on set alarm again, and here you can see the alarm has been set. I'll go back to my alarm app, and here you can see the alarm was set. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a native Android application, and here firstly you will have to add this set alarm permission. We don't need to programmatically ask for this permission, just add it inside Android manifest. You also require this particular queries thing. I'm not really sure what this is, but I think it's basically like if you want to perform some function in some other app, you would require these queries as well as this intent. Next, inside activity underscore main I have just one button, and if you see my main activity, these are all the imports. Firstly I have just created finding one button and added one click listener on it. So I'm calling this method called set alarm, and here I want to set alarm for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Then we just call alarm clock dot action set alarm apply, and I want to apply at 7 o'clock 7 o'clock 30 minutes, like 7:30. And what message you want to give, you can give it. Here you can pass the days on which you want to set the alarm, and here I want to like skip the alarm UI, that's why I have kept it as true. And if this resolves, then I just call start activity, which automatically sets the alarm for us. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.